Of all the components that make up our home, energy efficiency is the most prevalent. Now, for years we've known that we could build net zero energy houses if you had a customer who was willing to spend enough money. The problem was his grandchildren would be the first to see the return on investment. What we do with our houses is we make them 60 to 70% more efficient than standard built houses. We do this through a number of processes, but mainly we do it through a tight building envelope. It's with that tight building envelope made up of spray foam insulation that allows us to reduce the electrical demand in this house on our air conditioning system. The air conditioning system on this house is a zoned system where we can shut down certain parts of the house at certain times of the day. It's comfort level of our customer that we're concerned with. This house uses fluorescent lights and LED light bulbs 100% in all of the fixtures. Speaking of fixtures, all the light fixtures in this house are Energy Star. Our appliances are Energy Star appliances, using the least amount of electricity possible, which is key to energy reduction. We also have motion control light switches in every bedroom, so when someone leaves that bedroom, the lights will automatically shut off. We also have this same feature in our laundry and all of our bathrooms. It isn't until we've done everything we can to reduce the electrical demand that our photovoltaic system makes financial sense and common sense. Behind me we have our inverter. The inverter is part of our photovoltaic solar array. Power is generated at the solar panels. It comes down to the inverter in a DC format. It is then changed over to AC power, which we then can use inside the house for appliances, lights, and all the needs inside the house. Now, during the day, when we create more electricity than we need, what it does is it spins our meter backwards. At night, we then can get our power back that we generated during the day in excess. Behind me is the solar array that powers this net zero energy home. But it's the industry-leading disruptive technology that we've been able to develop at Sustainable Homes that greatly reduces the electrical demand of our homes. In the case of this house, which is 3,100 square feet, we only have a 5 kW system to get to net zero energy. It wasn't until the owner decided that he wanted to fuel his electric car at his home that we added an additional 3.9 kilowatts just for the car.